오, 맞아.
You know the word
맞아.
막내?
Hello everyone. I arrived early, which means that I get the chance to talk to you guys first. So right now I'm actually in Dobong Station because today we are going to Dobongsan. It's a 2-hour course and I'm going with my mentor and a mentee in the same group that I haven't met yet. So it'll be fun getting to know and meet her. Shout out also to my mentor for actually organizing this stuff. I know you watch. Thank you. Now walking to the exit. There's a view of the apartment complexes here. But yeah, on my way. I'm like the only one here, bro. Look, I'm not actually sure. Was that somebody or was that just a shadow? I don't know.
Yes, we end before the sauna picture. It's more fast. It's faster.
Yeah.
Yes, like
I'm not sure. It's the main Forbidden Palace.
I can find it. But I don't know how to feel it.
Okay, we are now going up. We've just started our route. It's already uphill, but the road's not bad. It's not too wet. Chicken? It's about 30 minutes later maybe. I can't really vlog that much because it's still drizzling and a lot of what we walked was uphill. So I'm sorry I can't give you a lot of hiking footage, but I'll definitely film the peak.
So you can take your time.
없어.
Oh my god. No, I think it's interesting in us. 어디 아픈가? Oh my gosh. It follows. Love you.
What? How do you say fog in Korean?
Found.
Fog.
Fog. 안개.
안개. How do you say it's so foggy? 너무 안개.
아. 안개가 너무 많아요.
아, 안개가 너무 많아요. Oh, okay. I'll let you pretend like you're not there. Oh. Now that I'm not looking, she's following us again. I'll take it as a good sign.
Yeah, me too.
We're approximately 10 minutes away from the peak now, and it's just getting more and more beautiful. 안녕.
Baby's really good.
Hmm?
The baby.
I think so.
Behind your shoulder. Yes. 아니 여기 분명 쉬운 산이라고 누가 저한테 그랬는데
누가 쉬운 산에?
아 누가 쉬운 산이랬어요. 난이도 안
아이고.
어렵다고.
안 그래.
족두리 봉은요? 괜찮아요?
족들이 복은 저 북한산.
등산 장비도 없이?
잘 온 거지 뭐 그래요.
Wow, it's so foggy. You can't even. Wow. We're very close to the peak now. I actually thought that was the peak, but it's not. Okay, so we're walking to the peak now. We're at the peak now.
그러면 안개 껴서 거기까지 안 보여.
아 그래요?
네, 근데 여기까지 오면 우리가 먹은 거랑 똑같아.
So he was explaining that the view would be here, but because of the fog, we can't see anything. But it's okay. I personally like it too.
You want some like this kind of thing?
Yeah.
감사합니다.
Actually, this weather is not perfect, but better for hiking.
Yeah,
but
I
you
can't see.
something.
That's the only.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm fine with it though.
Me too.
I had fun.
작성이 던져 저한테 저 주세요. I think you cannot forget this. I don't know whether this one is easier.
Wow. On camera, it doesn't look that high, but so we came from all the way up there, and now we're here, and now there's 고양이.
고양이 새끼.
아까 봤던 그 검은색 고양이, right?
네.
Over there.
Yeah.
근데 어떡해. 해물 파전. Hello everyone, I am back home and I am once again rushing because after we went on the hike, we ate lunch, and the thing is, my next meeting is gonna be my Korean class with my same mentor that I went with earlier, up the mountain, but she left earlier than me from lunch. Yeah, I had to take the reason why I'm almost late is because I had to take a shower afterwards. Of course, the hike, it was raining, I was sweating, it was everything at once, all the mud. So anyways, we shall go now.
So next one is nationality.
If we say 학생이에요, 이거 괜찮아요?
야, 괜찮아요.
아.
무슨 일을 해요? 아, 저 학생이에요.
학생이에요.
네, 네, 네.
네.
지금 회사에 다녀요. 슬기 씨는 대학생이에요.
Yeah, but I don't actually know what you call the years in Korean. Yeah, that's why.
Okay.
Did she said she's in the third year?
Fourth year.
Fourth.
Yeah.
사.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't even catch
Freshman.
Yeah, I just guessed because he was asking if she was a 대학생.
아, 네네. 제 30분 더 결제해야 되는데. It's dark outside.
Don't look at me. I always say I can eat anything but pork. 직업.
Chico, wasn't that the
어, 직업.
I've forgotten. I've forgotten. It's an app. It's like a language exchange app.
아솔상냉면. that one? 냉면? 사장님 식사
I'm receiving.
Okay, no, you
Can I
first
try?
because you're. Okay, wait, then let me first. Salt and vinegar lace. 어때요?
바리.
So is it your favorite? It's your favorite too?
I don't know. I don't really eat like American chips that much.
Chips and
At least
pull out the tongue. It tastes more. Yeah,
beginner, you know.
For a beginner.
it's only for the bibimbap. Yeah? You can.
How do you cut it?
It's your choice, one or two. It's I. Put them.
Oh man.
And shake it.
Why? I look so haggard from like all the hiking. I still look tired.
I like that.
감사합니다.
Not to me, to talk to her.
Oh, to you for asking.
Ah, okay.
Thank you.
That's spicy.
It's not as spicy when you eat the noodles with it, but when I
But
had the
it's
straight
just
up
the-
broth, I was like, oh. 맛있어.
맛있어?
Shane, are we the same age? Oh, you're younger than me.
누나.
네.
미안해요.
동생. 아니 괜찮아. Is it okay if I use banmal with you? Or would you like me to use 존댓말? 오, 맞아.
You know the word
맞아.
막내? Yes, you're the
감사합니다.
막내.
But if you can like ask someone like, 뭘 더 줄까요?
Yeah, you can.
한국 돼지 쿠키를 더 좋아.
Oh, really?
진짜 좋아.
네, 사실 저도요. 그 소고기 여기에서 그 냄새 없으니까 더 좋아요. 네. Cause like 아까 when we ate the mandu, like I couldn't smell it as much.
Yeah.
But I've had times in America where there's pork and it like 냄새는 너무 나요.
비린내.
어때? 매워? 이거. Okay. I'll try later. Oh, 너무 매워. 어떡해?
Eat the meat. Eat the meat.
Yes.
No water. Eat the
Not
meat.
the water
The
will make
water,
it
no.
worse. We have the same schedule. My alarm is at 8:15.
Yeah.
You guys get full sleep.
Mine is not. I don't think so. When I wake up, I'm still like.
Hours.
Oh.